In this demonstration, I'm going to be combining baking soda and vinegar. You might already have an idea of what's going to happen, but I want you to pay close attention to what you observe with your eyes, but also to the different measurements that we're going to make. Okay, so the temperature of my vinegar is 71.7 degrees Fahrenheit. The weight of the vinegar in the cup is 53 grams. You can see it kind of moves between 52 and 53 because our scale is not perfect, but let's see if we can get it to. Let's go ahead and say that it's 53 grams. Now, the weight of the baking soda is 5 grams. Okay. Think about what you expect the weight to be if I mix the cup of vinegar, 53 grams, and the baking soda, that's 5 grams. I'm going to go ahead and mix those right now, and we're going to see what happens. Okay. So here is what happens when baking soda and vinegar react. Let's take the temperature. It looks like 61.6 degrees Fahrenheit. And then let's find the weight of our vinegar and baking soda combined. So the weight of the combined substances is 56 grams. What are you thinking right now? How does the expected weight compare to the actual weight?